Good day everyone, my name is Patricia Marie V. Quiroz and I will be performing Essential Newborn Care or ENBC. First is we have the assessment, we have to prepare for the delivery, perineal bulging with presenting part visible or as the second stage of labor. And then we have to check the temperature of the delivery room, which is 25 to 28 degrees Celsius and free of air drafts. And then notify the appropriate staff. And then after that, we move on to planning. We have to prepare the materials and equipments to be used, such as 3 surgical gloves, 2 warm blankets, 1 bonnet, cord care set, such as Kelly, scissor, and cord clamp. And then we also need ophthalmic eye ointment, vitamin K, hepatitis B shot, and vacutional resuscitation equipment, and arrange needed supply linearly. And then we have to check for resuscitation equipment. And then for implementation, we have to wash our hands and then put on both sets of gloves, double gloving technique. Time band within the first 30 seconds, immediate and thorough drying. We have to call out the time of birth once the baby is delivered from the prenatal, and then do rapid assessments while drying the newborn thoroughly at least 30 seconds. Wipe the eyes, face, head, front and back, arms and legs. Time band after 30 seconds, early skin-to-skin contact. Remove the wet cloth. Position the newborn prone on the mother's abdomen or chest and cover the newborn's back with a dry blanket and newborn's head with a bonnet and identification band on the right ankle. And then time band 1 to 3 minutes, properly timed cord clamping. Remove the first set of gloves and then allow the cord pulsations to stop without milking the cord. And then clamp the cord at 2 cm from the umbilical base. And then apply the second clamp 5 cm from the base of the umbilicus. And then cut the cord close to the plastic clamp. Time band within 90 minutes, non-separation of newborn from mother for early breastfeeding. Inject 10 units of oxytocin into the mother's arm or intramuscularly, and then leave the newborn in skin-to-skin contact, and then observe for feeding tubes, such as including tonguing, licking, rooting, and point this out to the mother and encourage her to nudge the newborn towards the breast. And then counsel on positioning, attachment, and suckling. And then check for any congenital malformation. Then while maintaining skin-to-skin contact, check for the mother's condition and deliver the placenta. And then examinations, eye care injections such as hepatitis B, BCG, and vitamin K, and then weighing and bathing should be done after the first full breastfeed is completed, and then postpone washing until at least 6 hours. And then documentation and evaluation, we have to evaluate the newborn, do the APGAR scoring and Ballard and Silverman-Anderson scoring test, and then document findings.